PBIS Shoutouts. Mrs. Kwan Yoon would like to recognize Cassidy Cervantes. Cassidy is an excellent kindergarten scholar who has a positive attitude and demonstrates growth mindset every day. She tries her best and does not give up when things are hard. Mrs. Choi would like to shout out Jordan Suh for honesty, being truthful to others and being honest to himself when making choices. Mrs. Laszlo would like to recognize Zara for always putting forth her best effort and being willing to help out our class. Mrs. Vey would like to give a shout out to Luis Gutierrez. Luis is an awesome participant in our class discussions. Mrs. Lamping would like to recognize Aaliyah. Aaliyah works hard to do her very best and show Coyote pride. Miss Kim would like to give a shout out to Kian. Kian has been kind, considerate, ready, and responsible. He has fantastic listening skills and asks great questions during class. From Mrs. Logan's class, we have Yuan. Yuan is a motivated and focused scholar. She participates often, shows great effort in all areas, and is a leader in our classroom. Mrs. Vanden Rat would like to recognize Hannah. Hannah takes pride in her work and displays scholarly behavior in class. Mr. Boehme would like to give a shout out to Mason for being kind and polite to others when no one is looking. Miss Martinez would like to recognize Franklin. Franklin is not only new to our school, but to our country. He has been working very hard to learn all sorts of new things to him. Ms. Cedillo would like to recognize Isel Alvarez. Isel is a great role model. She demonstrates a positive attitude and works hard every day. Ms. Wen would like to give a shout out to Rachel. Rachel has been very helpful with our new student and shows a positive attitude every day. Congrats, Coyotes. Keep up the good work.